Hey, this is Shane from Shane's The Fall. This is Shane's Spin, where we talk about traffic accidents and what do we think is going on. Now, if you look at this particular video, you can see the person driving along has moved left out of that stopped traffic over to the left, and it looks like they either cut the person off behind them and that person hit their side, is what it looks like to me, like a sideswipe collision, and bumped him over. But it's possible that other car just ran up on him, okay, because he was going too slow. What you will notice on this craziness, though, is rather than stop, which is what you usually do after an accident, this driver keeps going, okay, and that was a pretty severe hit. And he keeps going, and then what happens, lo and behold, it looks like he veers over, crossing the white line, and drives directly into another car, okay, and knocking the back end of this truck around. You can see the truck rotates, which makes this a pretty severe collision. Also, if you look, the wobbling, it looks like he was doing something else, going back and forth. So I'm going to lay fault totally on the one car we're driving along for both accidents. This is Shane from Shane's The Fall.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.